if the next incident in your organization cost you millions? Or worse, your reputation. Today, a simple human error, a cyber attack, or a poorly managed crisis can bring your organization to its knees. The real question is, are you ready? Welcome to a world where incident management isn't optional. It's mission critical. You must be able to anticipate, respond fast, learn from it, and bounce back stronger. If you're ready to become the specialist every organization turns to in times of crisis, then stay with us. You're about to discover the CIMS certification, the path to becoming a true resilience leader. Why this certification has become essential. The problem today? Too many organizations improvise when an incident strikes. No clear procedures, no trained teams, no rapid response, and worst of all, no structured lessons learned to prevent recurrence. The result? Financial losses, business disruption, panic at all levels, and often permanent reputational damage. In 70% of cases, the incident could have been prevented or better managed if a proper incident management framework had been in place. And you know it. In times of crisis, every second matters. So ask yourself, do you currently have the skills to lead an incident from detection to resolution and beyond? What you will learn with CIMS certification. Here's the good news. Crisis leadership is not innate, it's learned. With the CIMS certification, you will learn how to build a solid incident management framework, detect early warning signs, respond methodically, calmly, and efficiently, lead teams during the heat of the crisis, conduct post-incident investigations, and above all, turn every incident into a driver for continuous improvement. The program is structured into 8 hands-on modules, from foundational concepts to audits and compliance reporting. By the end, you'll be fully operational, ready to act, document, and protect your organization. The program doesn't just teach you to survive an incident, it transforms you into a pillar of organizational resilience. 4. Who is this certification for? Whether you are a quality, health, safety, and environment professional, an IT or cybersecurity leader, an operations or crisis manager, an internal auditor, risk or compliance officer, a business continuity or emergency management consultant, or any professional responsible for protecting your organization's performance and reputation, then this certification is for you. In today's world, incidents are unavoidable, but those who can lead through them are rare and highly valued. Getting CIMS certified means earning international recognition, proving your ability to handle critical situations, and becoming a strategic asset in organizational resilience. Why choose CIMS over other certifications? What makes the CIMS certification stand out? Its practical focus, strategic depth, and alignment with global standards. Unlike many overly academic programs, CIMS prepares you to act with a practical approach based on realistic case studies, guidance on incident management plan templates and procedures, tools to manage, document, and continuously improve. The program covers the entire incident management cycle, from detection to post-incident, including communication, training, audits, and compliance. It is 100% online and accessible from any country. With a remote final exam, you will receive a secure premium digital certificate that is internationally verifiable. In short, CIMS is much more than just another certification. It is a passport to operational mastery of critical and sensitive situations. Take action today. Every day without preparation is a risk, left unmanaged. And in a world where one small incident can go global, the question is no longer if, but when. Don't just stand by and watch uncertainty unfold. Become a resilience leader. Join other CIMS certified professionals and become a pillar of resilience in your organization. Click on the link in the description to Download the brochure, register for the next cohort, or talk to an advisor. Don't manage incidents blindly anymore. Take control. Register now for CIMS certification.